So I think that locus of control is such a hard, um, it's
Yeah.
hard not to, it's hard to stay out of the locus of control. We all slip back in there often. And I find through the processes and structures of collaborative response, it's easier to have those conversations with each other when you say, like, you know what, that's really, I know it's hard. I know that's hard, but it's not in our locus of control. What can we focus on that is?
Yeah.
And then I also find then that conversation isn't seen with judgment, like you're not kind of like get your back up about it. It's a gentle conversation where it's so tough in education because a lot of things that are out of our locus of control bleed into the school. They
Oh,
show up,
Of
they come up
course.
in school and they really impact our day here at the school.
Of course.
But I find through these processes, it really helps us shift our focus to what can we do, and that we really can't fix that. That's out of our locus of control. So let's just focus on what we can. So that's another shift I think that's helped.
yeah, it's not easy at all. Carrie, I'm just wondering, did you do something explicit with your staff to talk about that locus of control?
Yeah, last year everybody got a pack of stickies and the question, I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was something like, what are all the things that impact student learning? I think it was something as broad as that. And they wrote down on each one thing on each sticky. And then we had the poster board, we had in my locus of control, out of my locus of control. And then we had a bit of a Venn where it was like, you know, I can make basically out of my locus of control, but I can make one small shift to impact it.
Right.
Right.
Influence.
I can
And
influence.
then
Yeah.
they put their stickies up and we had some comments like staff member said like, wow, that was impactful. Because I think it's when you see it
Yeah.
there, you see there's all these things that are out of my locus of control. And then we had a conversation about burnout and stress as an educator, and that if we pour our energy into those things that are out of our locus of control, that drains all the energy that we have. So we really just, it's not easy, but we really just need to stay over here on the things that we can do.
Yeah, what a
So smart.
beautiful and powerful conversation with your staff.